So I brought another tank, and then I brought another tank, and then I brought... Here's the plan for what I can assume is going to be a very long day for me. The pond is coming out. I'm taking the pond out completely. We're going to bring in this old wardrobe thing that I was going to throw out till I thought of the idea. And I'm going to face it down and drill it to the back of this wall. And then that is going to go on top, get cleaned out. All the sand's going to be cleaned out. And we're going to build stuff in there for breeder fish, etc. But for now, these in here are going to be moving to a temporary home for themselves until they're moved into this, which then when summer comes, they'll be moved from this into the big pond, because that's when they'll be big enough to go in. And it's also when it's, you know, it's okay to move fish like this. It's not really fair to do it in this type of weather. But I have got a day ahead of me if I'm doing this, man. I don't know why I'm starting the project again, but I am. I've got a cool fish tank now. I've got some lighting that can go in. I'm going to build like proper lights for it now. I'm thinking if I just put one of my big UV lights right across the top, or an LED one right across the top, it'll light up all the tanks that I'm going to have like in this little circle here. But yeah, this is going to be effort, but I'm taking the pond out. Right, okay, so got my gloves and that on because I've been messing around with a lot. But the fish tank's gone from there. It's now out in the back. All the fish have gone from here. The water's gone. The fish have gone from that one. Obviously, I can't really move this because babies. We hope. We think. I'm just going to keep this here. Just if I see any babies or anything, then I'll update it on a video with a microscope or something. But for now, that's staying there. Well, I've got to move this in a bin. Just got to empty some water out so it doesn't break. And then we're going to put a new light up the top. We're going to bring that other tank back in where we put our stand down here. So yeah, we're just making use of things that I would have got rid of otherwise. So this is what stage 2 is looking like so far. Well, progress. We now don't need the weird lamp light. We have our main light hooked up. So yeah, we're just filling the breeder's tank now. Got all that in there. I need to weigh that down on this side as well. All the rocks over there for them to sit in. Our babies are in that still. So yeah. So this is the latest update. This is the new tank. That's my other second-hand tank that I got off a friend. And my big tank has now got a new light in it. You can't really see that in a minute. It's now got a new light going all the way across the top. The plan is to sort that out, and then maybe we're going to check this first to see if all my small platies, minnows, danios, and the rest, 2 little goldfish, go in this. If I've got enough room, I'm going to put some barbs in it as well because I really love my barbs. But I'm going to show you the finished, like the whole process of this. Like now I'm filling it, then I'm going to put tap safe in it, and then we're going to start looking and waiting for the water temperature to get right, and then we're going to add our fish. And then I've got a mystery over there that I'm not showing yet. So I was just editing this video you're about to watch, and I've just come downstairs because this is the finished product for the main tank. These are some beautiful mollies that we've got. I don't know where my favourite boy's gone. My favourite boy's at the back over there. Right, so that's this tank setup. Okay, now I did put these to bed. Well, I turned the light off. Just going to show you these guys. All of these guys are happy in here. We do have some silver dollars now, which we didn't have before. I think that's the only thing I brought, other than my catfish. But yeah, so let's go to the tank room now. So the tank room, obviously, it you know, it looks a bit different. We've got a few more tanks. We're going to turn on all of our little lights. Okay, we have this one, which is a full treatment tank. The fish in here are being treated, so they stay in there. We've got this cabinet that I built. Yeah, my door's messed up, I know, but in there. And some bits of gravel and everything that I use. Turn this up there. I've got a tank that I'm currently working on building. Turn it back off. And up the top, up here, we've got all of our like lights and filters and things like that. And over here, we've got our white spot treatment, our quick start, aqua safe, more white spot treatment. We've got some bacteria safe and some testing kits for the water. Now in here, it is a bit cloudy at the moment because I was in here earlier. We've got 1, 2, 3, 5 new fish. 5 new fish. We've got that goldfish on there. He's new. That came with him. He's also new. Not that little guy. This little guy. Nope, that's not new. Where? Oh right. Okay, we've got Buggle Eye over here. He's new. He came with his friend there, which also came with another small one. Okay, he's over here. He's up that corner. Oh god. Okay, right, he's there. God, he's making it really hard to get him on video. But yeah, I've got the little Boggle Eye. We do have like 1, 2, we've probably got 5 mollies in here. But that little Boggle Eye, wherever he's gone, over the back, is going to end up like this guy. But yeah, this is the fish room. I mean, we've got all our stuff. Really? You're going to interrupt me again? We've got all of the fish tank set up. That's the next one. This one is my debating tank, you see. I'm keeping it there and I'm having it looking nice. But I might end up going marine with it. It might be the first tank I go marine with. But yeah, that's looking like a possibility. What up? That's looking like a possibility. That fish there is just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get him in the pond. He's going to grow out so quick. But yeah, so that is the pond room so far. Not the pond room anymore, the tank room, sorry. The tank room, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 tanks in there. And yeah, I just wanted to end this video off properly by showing you the finished product, because obviously off camera, me being, you know, ADHD as hell, I ended up doing a lot off camera. I even started to build a motorbike, then I'm almost done with that. I didn't record that because obviously I don't think any of you guys are going to be interested in that. So, but yeah, this is what we're looking like. The eel is growing out massively. He's growing out so well in there. Well, the dojo load, should I say. But he's staying in there. He's an albino dojo. He's definitely staying in there. He can grow out in there. But yeah. So that's the end of this video. This is what the room ended up looking like. Obviously, if you guys have got any suggestions of, like, if you're good with workspace or anything, places I can put other tanks, or maybe ideas to decorate that one, or maybe the small one, if you can think of like a rare beta fish or something that can go into it. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching. This is the end product of this video. So yeah, peace.